Welcome back to Keras Investment, where investments are made simple. Welcome back indeed, guys. Today it's exciting. I want to thank you to my subscribers. For those of you that are subscribing, if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you like what you hear in this video. Guys, as usual, I let you know when I'm making these big investment. Now, earlier today, I went on big in Luminar Technologies. I let you guys know just about a week ago, Luminar Technology was trading at below $17 per share. You can see that we bought up a ton of shares and we're able to make a quick swing to 25.50, and now we're able to put all that money back into Luminar Technologies. Now we have a few stock that we will be going over, but before we do that, guys, I just want to give you guys a quick overview. Now remember, guys, I let you know, buy low, sell high. That's what we stand by. If you take a look at the right of my screen, if you watch my last video last week, I let you guys know that it was a perfect opportunity to get into Luminar Technology. We can see that it cracks that $16 low. Now we got in just around 17. We make a quick swing up to $25.50 in profit. Then we'll make a quick buying again in the low 23, and we're able to sell again quickly in 24. Now today again, a guy like 10 days later, we can see it cracks that $20 per share. Now, I went in just around $20.52. Now, guys, I'm not telling you guys that you need to go in, but I like a good deal when I sees it. I woke up this morning, the stock was trading approximately 7% low, we could see for the day. Now, it starts to make a move back up right now. It's about 21.54 per share, but at the price this morning, it was a no-brainer. Now, keep in mind, this stock still have potential to go lower this week. But for the upside, for me personally, going long term, it is a no-brainer. If you guys are in the same type of investment, then definitely you guys may want to take advantage. Now, next up, we're going to look on one of our favorite stocks on the market. You guys all know how much I feel when it comes to Tesla. Similar to Luminar as well, we can see that Tesla a week or so back. Let's go back just a month back. We see Tesla have been trading up and down. We have made a few swing. We have made a few short-term gains. You guys knew that my average in Tesla was below $38 per share. Still holding my positions, but I'm doing a lot of call options, making a lot of money on a day-to-day trading with the stock. Now, we looked this morning that Tesla was down at $657 per share before bouncing back to $675. Now we see it's trading again back down at 663. If you guys want to make a decent amount of profit in a short term, this stock is still a good buy. Now, I'd love to see it goes cheaper to buy more shares, more hold shares, or even do options. But you cannot go wrong with Tesla. Now, keep in mind, one of the main reasons why you can see that the EV market is down is that the shortage of chips. We see that NIO on our left here, similar to Tesla, NIO is down just around 5% for the day. Tesla is at 3% currently. We see that Xpeng here is just under 1.5%, but the entire EV market is not looking too good for the last month or so, mainly to do with the shortage of chips. Now, guys, we know that Intel is down. We know that Apple is down. Multiple sectors down because this is a big deal right now. When we're looking at technology, everyone is thinking about smart tech. Everyone thinking about automation. We need chips. It is a shortage, and it's making a huge noise in the game. Guys, I just want to summarize this very quickly. Luminar, I went on in and I make a huge purchase. With the profit that I made from last week, I add more shares to my portfolio, also by lowering my average as well. And we take a look here at NIO as well. I cannot go wrong, guys. I see NIO at 5% off. This is a huge discount. I went on and I got a few shares. Now, I'm not telling you guys that you guys need to buy, but if you're watching this channel, we like to buy low and sell high. Now, if we take a look back at NIO, as I said earlier, in the month of April, we can see that NIO was crossing that $60 per share. But back in on March 5th, that turbo swing that we saw there, we saw that NIO came down to as low as $36, very similar to this price, but then it bounced back and crosses 45. And then by the end of March, we can see again A same similar pattern again. It drops back below 36, and then we saw recovering in April 1st again, back over 40, and then we saw the same similar thing 2 weeks back at 36, then it crosses 40 again. So it's been doing this back and forth. We understand that it crosses that 100,000 vehicle. The projection is what you're looking at least 20 plus thousand vehicles per quarter. It is possible with the new facilities that they are invested in. Now, when you compare to Tesla, Tesla also ramped up a huge amount of production as well. So it's not really about the revenue, why the market is low for these companies. It's due to the fact that we do have a pandemic that is still going on. We look at places like India, places like Canada, places like in the US, and some part of Europe that's definitely been impacted, as well as the shortage of chips. Now, before I go, I want to keep it very simple, guys. I let you know that Luminar, I have added my shares so far. NIO, I'm getting shares, and Tesla, I've been making a few trades so far this morning. As I said, it was at 5:57 earlier in the morning. I made a trade in the short term, and I swing at the 672, and we can see it's back down at 670 at 662 right now. So I'm about to go in again. I'm hoping it could break that 660 to make a bigger profit. But guys, I'm not selling my original shares. These are just swings that I'm doing to build some cash flow. If you guys understand and if you guys are following the market, you definitely need that cash flow. So when you have another big pullback, that you have money to spend. Now, I hope you guys watch this video until the end. We do have one other play that I want you guys to take a look at as well. I did pick up some shares of my favorite guys, Jumia Technology. Love these guys. Back in I would say back in 2020, I made a huge profit off these guys, going them in the lows, and I was able to capitalize when they break $60 per share. Now, I'm happy to say the price, what I see right now, was very attractive. So I definitely went on in and I got a lot of shares, more than what I should. But hey, I'm using some of the profit that I made from that huge run. So it's no big deal for me. It deserves it because this company definitely made me a lot last year. When you compare about going from like $3 to $60 per share, it's a similar situation like NIO. That huge gain from like $1.80 to like 66 is the same thing with Jumia, from $3 to $5 average to 60. That's a big gain. So guys, if you're in the market right now, this is also a great opportunity if you guys want to get in on. But this video is strictly for the EV side of things. When it comes to NIO, when it comes to Tesla, when it comes to XPeng, I won't even go over XPeng. You understood, the market is down. XPeng will pull back as well. But the main thing right now is Tesla is a buying opportunity. NIO is a buying opportunity. And of course, we're looking at Luminar technology. This is the future. Whenever I get a chance to get more shares in these guys, I always pull more shares. Now, guys, if you like what you just hear, definitely go ahead, do your own research to make sure that this makes sense to you. If it fits your portfolio, definitely go ahead and add some shares. But as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your research to make that ultimate decision. But until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.